What does powerful mean in a telescope?
A telescope is considered powerful when it can collect more light and reveal finer details. This power depends on several key specifications, not just how far it can see. Understanding what makes a telescope truly effective helps you choose the right one for your needs, whether you're looking at distant galaxies or the craters on the moon.
Aperture, the heart of telescope power.
Aperture is the diameter of the primary lens or mirror. A larger aperture gathers more light, making faint objects visible and revealing greater detail. This is often the single most important specification when comparing telescopes, as it impacts both brightness and resolution. For most astronomers, a bigger aperture translates directly to a more powerful telescope.
Magnification, what it can and can't do.
Magnification is what most people first think of, but it's often misunderstood. The maximum useful magnification depends on the aperture. Too much magnification on a small telescope just creates a blurry image. The real power comes from combining high magnification with a large aperture for clear, sharp viewing.
Resolution, revealing the finer details.
Resolution is a telescope's ability to distinguish closely spaced objects. A telescope with high resolution can show double stars as separate points or reveal surface details on planets. This specification is determined mostly by the aperture and by the quality of the optics themselves.
Other factors: optics, stability, and viewing conditions.
A telescope's true power also relies on the quality of its lenses or mirrors, its mounting stability, and the skies above. Even the largest telescopes need steady mounts and clear, dark conditions to reach their full potential. Remember, sometimes the most powerful telescope is the one that's easiest to use regularly.